Hello dear students, I am Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapeeth Residential School Shivpuri, and you are watching your favorite program. It means you are watching your favorite program. Hello, improve your English language. Today I am going to explain to you very interesting topic that you are watching on whiteboard. Value of trees or forest. It's very interesting chapter and a very interesting topic to all the students. It's compulsory topic to know the value of forest. It means that all the people try to understand the value of forest, because you know very well that we cannot imagine our life without forest or without trees. You know very well that thing, because the trees are the real root of our life. Without trees we cannot imagine our life. Without trees or forest we cannot survive in the world. Human beings civilization can be destroyed if there is no forest, if there is no trees. So there is a great and so endless importance, you can see that we cannot assess the value of forest. Means there is so large, there is no end of its boundary, there is no boundary of importance of the forest. So I am going to explain you very interesting thing, that the value of trees is very essential, and try to understand the importance of forest or trees. It's a compulsory to all the students, mostly, especially the students of 11th, 12th and 9th also. They should try always to understand the fact, because related to the value of forest, so many questions are asked, and article on value of forest or importance of forest is also asked. So I am explaining you, okay? So it is very interesting lecture. I am trying to make this program so interesting. I am I am making so much efforts to make this program very interesting. It's a program of lecture, you know very that. I would like express my thoughts and ideas before you regarding forest and trees. Okay? So number one, I am saying there is great importance, you can say, but I am saying you some elements. These are very important things and some important points. Okay? Number one, there is a great contribution, you know very well, that of the forest in the world, in our life. So we are sitting here, we are talking one another. Okay, so it is the great importance, presence of forest in the world. So number one, you can say forest purifies atmosphere. It means you can say that forest or tree purifies our air, which is very necessary to survive in the world for all life, all organisms, you can say. So I am explaining you about that thing. You know very well that plants or trees release oxygen to other living things or to the other organisms. For us also, we can say that we take oxygen, inhale oxygen always. Without oxygen our life is not possible in the world. So oxygen supplies energy to our body to survive in the world. So oxygen is very compulsory In the absence of oxygen, we cannot live in the world. We cannot talk to each other. So, it is the great source of means trees or plants are the great source of oxygen. They release oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide. So there is a great contribution of value of you can say forest or trees in our life to give new things or new life to the human beings. Not only human beings but all the all living things on the world. Plants cannot go from here to there, means they cannot move, but they can feel like human beings. They are also survive. They are also living things. They are involved in living things. So trees are very important. So we should try always to conserve them and try to save them. It means if we try to save forest or trees, plants, it means we are going to save our nature. We are going to step, very interesting, take a new step to save our nature. Nature is just like mother. You know very well that mother nature means mother provide everything whatever his child wants. Similarly, nature provides us everything what we want. What we want. It gives everything to survive in the world. Next thing, it will be so lengthy video, so I am going to finish this topic here. Next point I am going to explain, that is very interesting. Okay, prevent soil erosion. You know very well that thing. If there are no trees, there will be no conservation of soil also, means the soil will be eroded, because roots of the trees catch or binds up the soil of all around the tree. So it's very interesting thing that trees are very essential to save our soil also from erosion. So flood is prevented by keeping soil safe. Next thing is that forests or trees are very important. There is a great contribution in bringing rain or monsoon, you see, because you know very well that there is no forest, no rain. You know, if we want rain, water, plants and trees or forest are very compulsory in the nature. So we all depends on forest. Ultimately you can see that, eventually you can see. Next thing, you know very well that thing, different kinds of the things are made of wood. For example, furniture, householding articles also, paper also. Unlimited things are made of wood, or so many things are prepared from forest. There are endless necessities are or endless fulfillments are made, completed from the forest. So I can't explain the importance of forest in a short time. There is a so great contribution, endless great contribution of forest in our life. So I can't explain you within 10 or 5 or 30 minutes. Endless topic you can see. It will take so too much long time. So it's enough for you. Now come to the next point. That is also very interesting point for you, and you will like, I hope, that thing. And you know very well that thing. All different kinds of the diseases are going in the world. Nowadays we are facing the problem of COVID-19. That is the very, you can see the epidemic, you know. Epidemic means so great and harmful disease that is spread in all over the world or in a large area, you can say. So that is called epidemic. Innumerable people are affected. So that is, disease is called epidemic. So you know very well, I want to say, explain you about that medicines, you know very well. Medicines are made from forest, means trees or plants. Every kind of disease, medicines are made from forest. Without forest or without trees, we cannot imagine about the medicines or regarding medicines. So medicines are very essential in our life. This means medicines has lengthened our age. Age of human beings has been lengthened. So medicines are very essential. There is a great contribution of forest because it gives different kinds of the medicines. Okay. So next you can say that the forest is the shelter of different kinds of the animals or wildlife, you can say. So forest gives shelter to the birds, animals, or different kinds of the insects also. They live in forest, happily enjoy the life. According to the time, means that forest has been deforested, means it has been cut. So we are feeling different kinds of the problems due to the lack of forest, you see. So forests are very essential in our life. There is a great contribution of forest in our life. It makes our life so happy and full of pleasure. It brings a lot of the happiness in our life. No forest, no our life. So there is a saying in the world, in English lecture, or it means in our 12th class, there is a poster of conservation of forest. Save trees, save life. Save water, save life. Means water is life. In other words, you can say forest is our life. Forest means trees are our life. So these are very essential, and there is a great importance. So next point you should try to understand. So we should try always, all the students and the people, to encourage them to develop forest. We should try to encourage them to plant the trees. Grow more and more trees around your home, around your house, where you are living. Okay, so you can develop a very interesting garden also, in which different kinds of the trees you can grow there, and you can take benefit of the gardens also. You will feel happy and healthy in the presence of greenery. So greenery is very essential in our life. Without greenery we cannot develop our life. We cannot be so happier person in our life. If we want to make our life so healthier, we will have to develop a garden. We will have to grow more and more trees. So I would like to say all the peoples and students also, please grow more and more trees all around you. Where you are living, you can develop their trees, different kinds of the trees you can grow there. These are our real depot of knowledge, or you can say it is the depot, store of pleasure. Nature is the, you can say that nature is the storehouse, or you can say that great treasure of our happiness. Pleasure, we bring pleasure or get happiness from nature. So we should try always to save our nature, so save. Never try to disturb it. We should never try to disturb the rules of nature. If we go against the rules of nature, it means we are going to destroy ourselves. So never try or never go against the rules of nature. I would like request all the students take down this lecture on your paper. So whenever you feel necessity or need of this lecture or importance of value of the trees, you can take, you can read, you can open your diary and you can read the lecture of importance of trees, so that you can understand the value of trees or the forest. Okay? So very interesting thing, it is very interesting. I would like to say that you and your family will be okay. And I know very well that then you are passing through the tough time. Not only India is facing the problem of COVID-19, but also whole world. Whole world is facing the problem of COVID-19. This is a epidemic. All kinds of the business has been stopped. So there is no resource. There are means a great source of income has been stopped. So there is a so great tough time to all the peoples. They have nothing. Most of the people running their family no problem, but most of the peoples are available in the world. You can find they are facing so very difficulty of eating something. They have nothing to eat. They have nothing to run their family. So I would like to say, and I pray to God, He will give you so much energy and power so that you can face the problem very easily. You know very well that thing. Time cannot be same all the time. Means this difficulty, this is the tough time you see. So it will not remain same for always. It will pass. And you know very well that thing. After difficulty or sorrow comes pleasure always. You know that. After facing that difficulty or sorrow or different kinds of the problems and hardships and bottlenecks comes pleasure. We feel pleasure after the sorrow. So I hope you are happy. Your family will be also so happy and full of pleasure. Lastly, I would like to say, never forget to grow more and more trees, because this is the month of, or you can say season of rain. You know very well, rainy season is going, so you can grow more and more trees. So I am preparing this video to awake the people. I want to bring awareness in the people to grow more and more trees. I want to make aware people regarding the forest, how how beautiful and how valuable forest for us. So try always to grow more and more trees, and your families, and it means the whole world will be so happy and full of pleasure. We will feel so happiness if we grow more and more trees, because they gives us so pleasure, which we are going where and where we are searching the happiness here and there. It is nowhere. It will we find near us in the nature, in the trees. So it is very interesting. It was very interesting point for you. Nice article. I have tried my best to explain you the value of forest in our life. I hope that you will like this video, and never forget to take down this video or take down the lecture in your diary. Maintain your diary in which you can take down your any interesting method, very interesting matter you see. So whenever you forget any very interesting elements, you can open your diary and you can see it, and you can recall that things. So your problem will be solved itself. Okay, so thank you. Join to my VIP program, Hello Improve English. Thank you.